Guys, here's a little video about the good old Gravely 450s that I have. If you followed the channel for a long time, it was probably 8 or 10 years ago, I got these things going. I've lived at my current house for 6 years and I haven't really done anything with them for 6 years. So I know you guys are going to bash me for storing these things outside and all that other crap that you always do, but I have no choice right now. And hopefully in the new year, we'll be working on a barn project. That's my #1 goal for this year. So once we get a barn, there will be no more bashing for outdoor crap anymore. Anyways, Happy New Year's, guys. Enjoy this video. It's kind of funny. Hope you like it. All right, we're going to try to start this red 450. It's been sitting here for a long time, as you can see by this lichen and mold and everything on it. I don't think it started for 2 years, probably. I can't remember. I don't know if it has a battery in it. Nope, no battery. It has a detachable seat. Let's get that out of the way. Look at all those leaves on there. Holy cow. Well, if we actually get it started, we'll address the leaves. All right, let's see. Let's get the battery hooked up first. Let's check the oil down here. The oil looks great. Let's check the transmission dipstick. Ew, it needs like a quart of oil in there. Ouch. Let's just see if we can fire it up, and then if it actually runs on carb cleaner, we'll come back and put oil in the transmission to fill up the tires. The choke cable's not working. I just gave it a spray of carb clean. Let's see what happens. Dude, it wants to run. Starter sounds horrible, but it wants to run. We give it another spray. Let me try to turn the choke on halfway or something. And let's see what happens this time. Owning CCKA. Yeah, that's how you do it. Oh, clean out the leaves. Holy cow. What's this? Now, let me come over here and see if I can move it. Oh, this stupid mower deck's right in the way over here. Well, anyways. We gotta pump up the tires and all that stuff before we do anything. Well, that's pretty promising, huh? I got it fired up again, but we got trashed tires from the right side, like literally slashed. We'll hold any air. Let's see if we can drive it. Something's screwed. Shifters are all stuck. Oh, dude, I saw a freaking mouse. Let's see if we can do a tractor pull style. Whoa, whoa. Oops. Oops. That wasn't what I was trying to do. I was running that one cylinder. Oops. Well, that was pretty bad, but I lifted up the front end and just moved it to the right. You see that back tire is trash. This front tire, look, totally trash. We're dead. We cannot do a thing. That really stinks. Yeah, nice tires, dude. Nice tires, bro. Freaking Onion's awesome, though. That thing's awesome. Like, seriously, that thing is so awesome. Man. Poor tractor needs a little loving. We got to pressure wash it or something. Get some new kicks on it. And a new seat. That poor little thing. Poor baby tractor. Anyways. That's no fun, huh? No fun. Oh well. Let's turn it off. Well, as long as we got the red one started, let's see if the yellow one will start. Let's see. Again, this hasn't been started for a very long time either. Let's see. We got oil. We got nice, brand new looking oil in there. That's a plus. About the tranny. Oh, the tranny's got oil. All right, let's just give it a shot of ether. See what happens. All right, let's see. Oh, I gotta hook up the battery still too. All right, let's just do that. Let me get the battery hooked up here, and you'll see that this thing's looking mint. This battery. Oh yeah, I'd be shocked if this thing would actually crank over with this rusty pile of crap. Let's see. Well, let's hit it. Let's see what happens. Ready? I'd be shocked if it had spark. I'll put it that way. I'd be like totally shocked. I mean, it'd be one thing if the points were clean, that's fine, but those wires are trashed on this thing. All right, I'll leave the camera back here while I hit the key. Let's see. There's no way that it has spark. It would have started by now, but at least we turned it over. You know, another time we can come clean those points, but bummer. All right, don't forget to comment. Don't forget to like it. Don't forget to subscribe. If you're not subscribed, it really helps the channel. And we'll see you soon.